today we will solve art and culture prelims previous year questions. They get repeated because history remains the same, and the best way to revise art and culture is through previous year. With reference to the history of Indian rock cut architecture, consider the following statements. If you have solved previous year question, this one is a repeated question. This was asked in 2013. All the questions in this video are from 2013, and this question was repeated from 1990-95. The caves at Badami are the oldest surviving rock cut caves in India. Not correct. The Barabar rock cut caves were originally made for Ajivikas by Emperor Chandragupta Maurya. This is also not correct. At Ellora, caves were made for different faiths. Correct. Answer is 3 only. The Chinese traveller Huanzhang, who visited India, recorded the general conditions and culture of India at that time. In this context, which of the following statements are correct? The roads and river routes were completely immune from robbery. Not correct. Not possible. As regards punishment for offences, ordeals by fire, water and poison were the instruments for determining the innocence or guilt of a person. True. The tradesmen had to pay duties at ferries and barrier stations. This is also true. Answer is 2 and 3. This is from NCERT. Some Buddhist rock cut caves are called chaityas, while the others are called viharas. What is the difference between the two? Vihara is a place of worship, while chaitya is the dwelling place of the monks. Chaitya is a place of worship, while vihara is the dwelling place of monks. This is correct. Chaitya is the stupa at the far end of the cave, while vihara is the hall axial to it. No, correct. There is no material difference between the two. Answer is B. Even if you know the answer, always read all the options. Which one of the following describes best the concept of nirvana in Buddhism? The extinction of flame of desire, the complete annihilation of self, a state of bliss and rest, a mental stage beyond all comprehension. Answer is A. The extinction of the flame of desire, because according to Buddhism, desire is the cause of all problems. Which of the following statements are applicable to Jain doctrine? The surest way of annihilation karma is to practice penance. Every object, even the smallest particle, has a soul. Karma is the bane of the soul and must be ended. All the statements are correct. With reference to the history of philosophical thought in India, consider the following statements about Sankhya school. Sankhya does not accept the history of rebirth or transmigration of the soul. If you want to revise the philosophical thoughts, all the schools, I have made a video. In short, you will be able to revise all these schools. Sankhya holds that it is the self-knowledge that leads to liberation and not any exterior influence or agent. Which of the statements given above are correct? Answer is 2 only. Next, consider the following historical places: Ajanta caves, Lepakshi temple, Sanchi stupa. Which of the above places are known for mural paintings? 1 only, 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3. Answer is B. Next, consider the following pairs: Limbu, Sikkim, Karbi, Himachal Pradesh, Dungaria, Odisha, Bonda, Tamil Nadu. Which of the pairs are correctly matched? 1 and 3 only. In the context of the cultural history of India, a pose in dance and dramatics called Tribhanga has been a favorite of Indian artists from ancient times till today. Which of the following statements best describes this pose? One leg is bent and the body is slightly curved at the waist and neck. Facial expressions, hand gestures and makeup are combined to symbolize certain epic or historical characters. Movement of body, face and hand are used to express oneself or to tell a story. Little smile, slightly curved waist and certain hand gestures are emphasized to express the feeling of love and eroticism. Answer is A. One leg is bent and the body is slightly curved at the waist and neck. So these were the questions from 2013. If you want to solve all previous year questions from 1979 to 2021, there is a compilation. Link will be in the description and in the comment section. You can buy from there. We will solve all previous year questions. If you have doubt in any of the questions or if you think any of the answers are wrong, let me know in the comment section and we will discuss on that. Thanks for watching.